Today, we will teach you how to file GSTR-1 Nil Return from Tally. Now we will file a nil return. For that, go to the Exchange menu, then select GST options and click on File GSTR-1. Now, click on Restart. Next, enter the PAN card number. An OTP has been sent to the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP here. The return has now been filed. Let's verify it from the GST portal. As you can see, the return filing status is showing. Friends, if you liked this video, do like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.